Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super quick and useful tip for Microsoft Word users. Ever felt like the space between your paragraphs is too big or too small? Well, you're in luck because I'm going to show you exactly how to change the space between paragraphs in Word. Let's get started. Select the text. Highlight the paragraphs you want to adjust. If you want to change the spacing for the entire document, press Ctrl+G1A to select everything. Go to the paragraph settings. On the Home tab, look for the paragraph group. Click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of this group. This will open the paragraph settings window. Adjust the spacing. In the spacing section, you'll see two options, before and after. These control the space before and after each paragraph. You can increase or decrease these values to your liking. For example, let's set the after spacing to 6 pt for a cleaner look. Set line spacing, optional. If you also want to adjust the line spacing within paragraphs, you can use the line spacing drop-down in the same window. Choose options like single, 1.5 lines, or double, depending on your needs. Click OK. Once you're happy with your settings, click OK to apply the changes. Thank you very much for watching. If the video was useful, please like and subscribe.